Good afternoon, dear students. Yesterday we read There is no hurry. I will stay and tell yours too if you like. So today we are going to start from next para. That's no thanks. This will do for both of us. Is mother in the drawing room? Come along, Molly. We won't work anymore tonight. So Cleve, their cousin, is telling them that there is no hurry. I will go to bed later, but first of all, I will tell you your fortune, that will be your what will be in the examination, and a sort of a kind of this yes paper like that. So he's telling them that I will tell your fortune, what will come for you in future. No thanks, this will do for both of us. So now who is telling? Marvis is telling Cleve that no thanks, this will do for both of us. So whatever you have told us, whatever questions you have this told us that they will come in examination, this will do for both of us. These questions means the guest paper is same for both Marley as well as Marvis. So there is no need to tell again. Is mother in the drawing room? Come along, Merle. We won't work anymore tonight. So now this Merle is telling Cleve that is mother in the drawing room, and now no, Marvis. Sorry, Marvis is telling Cleve that is mother in the drawing room, and now Marvis is telling Merle that come along. We will not work today. We will not study further because. We have got headache and we won't be able to study further, so we will stop here. Oh, I must just look up. What was it? The products of Java and Borneo, William Cooper, and Celtic words. There is luck in them just for 5 minutes. Get off to bed, you kid, and leave me to work. So, Marley is telling Marvis. First of all, Marvis is telling Marley that we will not study anything. But Marley is telling Marvis in return what? What she is telling? What's the reply of Marley? It's, oh, I must just look up what was it. So she's telling him, I must recapitulate whatever Cleve has told us, whatever questions he has given us for study purpose. I must look up at them, means I must ऊपर से इनको नजर दूंगी मैं. Okay, what was it? So what क्लीव ने इसको क्या क्या बोला था? Java and Borneo, the products of Java and Borneo, William Cooper and Celtic words. There is luck in them. So she feels like there is luck in them. She has a feeling that maybe these questions may come in examination. Okay, so she just for 5 minutes. So she is telling her sister that just give me only 5 minutes. I will look through these questions. Get off to bed, you kid, and leave me to work. So now this Marley and Marvis is telling who? Cleve, that let us let's leave, let us leave alone. Okay, there is luck in them just for 5 minutes. Get off to bed, you kid, and leave me to work. So now they are telling Cleve that you go for the sleep and let us focus on our studies. Rather reluctantly, Mavis fell in with her sister's humor and reopened her text books. So, reluctantly means unwilling, okay? So, she was not willing. Whatever her sister told, whatever Merle told, Mavis did that. Though she was unwilling to do these things, but Mavis still did and reopened her textbook. She reopened her textbooks because उसकी बहन ने उसको बोला. Though she was not willing, but she still opened the books. Cleve's only fooling, she said. Now, Merle told Marvis that Cleve is only fooling us. So ये बोलता है कि ये questions आएंगे, वो questions आएंगे. But what is the reality? The reality is that he is trying to fool us. I know, and so am I. So I am also fooling you, huh? Here we are. Celtic words in use in the English language. You can squint over my shoulder if you like. So now she is showing her sister that ये क्वेश्चंस हम पढ़ेंगे सेलेटिक लैंग्वेजेस दिस जावा एंड बोर्नियो विलियम कॉपर ओके You can squint over my shoulder if you like. Squint means to look in a different direction. Means अगर एक sister के पास book है दूसरे के पास नहीं है, so this another sister is trying to squint over the book that is with Merle. The 5 minutes length. The 5 minutes length. Sorry. The 5 minutes lengthened out till Mrs. Ramsay came herself and put a finish to the preparation. Sorry. So only 5 minutes, and till that, after that, their mother came in the room and told them to stop their studies, and put a finish. Put a finish means to their mother told them to stop reading, stop studying. It's silly to overdo it. You will only have headaches tomorrow and be able to remember nothing. Come along to the drawing room. So now their mother, the mother of Merle and Mavis, is telling them that it's silly to overdo it. Anything, whatever, whether it is exam preparations or whether it is thinking or whether it is something else. Overdoing means that is overdoing anything means silliness. Overdoing anything means silliness. It's silly to overdo it. You will only have headaches tomorrow. When you go through the same chapter, same book, same question, same these words, same sentences and all, what happens? You eventually get headache. Okay. Now their mother is telling them that it's silly. You must stop this preparation. Otherwise you will get headache tomorrow and you won't be able to write in examination. Come along to the drawing room. Now she is telling them, come along to the drawing room. Maybe they will take some rest and tomorrow they will get, this is, it often happens with you people as well. At the end of the, मतलब जब आपके examinations बिल्कुल ready होते हैं, आपका paper आपके सामने आ जाता है, तब तक आप books पे लगे रहे होते हो. That is not a good thing. What happens? You forget everything. That means it should be at least before 30 minutes or before 1 hour you should stop reading, you should stop studying before examination. So same happens here. I think we will stop here. We should stop here. Till then, stay at home, stay safe, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.